So my students, again you are welcome in our Path Maths online classes. We are doing exercise 11.3 and 10 questions we have already completed. So we will start with the question number 11 today. So let's see the question number 11, in which we have to just form the equation of an ellipse with the given conditions. So condition बच्चों आप लोगों को conditions given होगी और उस condition के through आपको ना equation of ellipse form करनी है. And the condition given in the question number 11 is the vertices are given as 0, plus minus 13. This is question number 11. Vertices are given as your 0, plus minus 13, and foci is also given to you as your 0, plus minus 5. Let's see again, this is very much clear that the equation which we want to form is your vertical ellipse. The x coordinate of the given vertices and the foci are 0, 0. It means this is the ellipse which is along y axis, or y axis के along है, so that is your known as vertical ellipse. So the equation of vertical ellipse is always given by x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. So we require the value of b as well as a to form the equation of ellipse. और देखिए जरा जो आपको कंडीशन दी गिवन है उनमें से हमें क्या क्या मिल सकता है. लेट मी चेक आउट. इन केस ऑफ वर्टिसेस दिस इज ऑलवेज गिवन बाय 0, plus minus a इफ दिस इज योर वर्टिकल एलिप्स. अगर वर्टिकल एलिप्स है तो वर्टिसेस ये होते हैं और फोकई हमारे होते हैं 0, plus minus c. So by comparing this given standard foci and vertices with the given vertices and the foci, we obtained that the value of a is your 13 and value of c is your 5 here. So from the relation which is given by c square is equal to a square minus b square, we can obtain the value of b also. क्योंकि हमें सिर्फ b की ज़रूरत है, a तो हमारे पास ऑलरेडी मिल चुका है हमें 13, and we require the b only. So for that we can use this formula. C is equal to a square minus b square and root, or c square is your a square minus b square, and b square can be obtained by a square minus c square. So value of a square is your 13. So this is 13 square minus this is 5 square, and this is 169 minus 25. This is your 144. So the value of b square is 144, or the value of b is your 12. Because we require the value of b square, so we can directly take the value of b square from here, which is 144, and the equation of ellipse is given by, this is given by x square by 144 plus y square by 169 is equal to 1, because the value of a is your 13 and 13 square will be 169, value of b square is directly 144, so x square by b square plus y square by 169 is equal to 1 is the equation of the required ellipse. So this was the question number 11. Question number 12 is your homework, my dear students. Let me do the now question number 13. Question number 13, in which again condition is given to you but not given with your foci and the vertices. We are given with the ends of the major axis. Question number 13 we are going to do. These are given that ends of major axis. This is your plus minus 3, 0, plus minus 3, 0, and ends of minor axis given as your. This is very easy question, dear friends. 0, plus minus 2. From major axis and minor axis, it is first of all to be identified which type of the ellipse is required. देखिए मेजर एक्सिस, द मेजर एक्सिस के एंड पॉइंट्स बच्चों आपको दिए हुए हैं प्लस माइनस 3, 0 मीन्स x, 0 form is there, and the coordinate which is in the form of a, 0 or x, 0, they will be lie on your x axis. So इसका मतलब जो मेजर एक्सिस के एंड पॉइंट्स हैं they are lying on x axis, as it is very much clear that this 3, 0 and minus 3, 0 are the coordinates of the ends of the major axis. So this will be something like this. These are lying as your 3, 0 and minus 3, 0. and from the minus axis it is also clear that these points are lying on y axis. So this is your 0 comma 2 and 0 comma minus 2. So nothing is to be there to examine which type of ellipse is this one. This is your horizontal ellipse because the major axis is your lying along x axis, और जहाँ जिसके along major axis होती है उसी के along हमारा ellipse भी होता है. So this is your horizontal ellipse and equation is given by x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, where a is always greater than b, and so the value of a is given here as 3 and the value of b is your 2. So equation of ellipse given by x square by 3 square plus y square by 2 square is equal to 1 implies x square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. So this is the required equation of the ellipse in which ends of major axis and ends of minor axis are given to you. So dear students, this was the question number 13. Now in the similar way you can do the question number 14, in which again we are given with the ends of major axis and ends of minor axis. Number 15 is also similar like this. Length of major axis is given to you. We are given with the length of major axis. Let me illustrate this question as well, in which we are given with the length of the major axis. Complete length is given to you. Length of major axis. This is given as your 26, and this is always given by 2a. Length of major axis is always given by 2a. So from here we will get the value of a, which is your 13. And also we are given with the foci. For this ellipse we are given with foci as 5, 0. So ये तो clear है बच्चों कि foci से, because foci जो coordinates हैं, these are in the form of a, 0. So foci will be lie on your x axis, और foci अगर x axis पे lie करते हैं तो इसका मतलब this is your the horizontal ellipse. It means this is your along x axis. So foci are given as, and foci is always denoted by plus minus c, 0. So value of c is here as 5, value of a is 13. We require the value of b only. और ये confirmed है कि this is your ellipse which is your along x axis. This is your type of horizontal ellipse, and its equation is given by x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So we required a and b. A is already there, 13. We need the value of b, and this can be obtained by using the value of c, given by c square is equal to a square minus b square, implies b square is equal to c square a square minus c square. Taking this b square on left hand side, taking c square on the right hand side. So implies b square means 13 square minus c square is your 5 square, and this is your 169 minus 25 is your 144. So value of b square is your 144. Value of a square is your sorry 169. So the equation of ellipse is given by x square upon 169 plus y square by 144 is equal to 1. So this is the equation of ellipse, which is having length of major axis is 226 and the foci is your plus minus 5, 0. So my dear students, question number 16 is again same as we have done this question, in which we are given with the length of minor axis only. So we are given with the length of minor axis and the foci are also given to you. Now number 17, in which foci is given to you and the value of a is also given to you, or from foci you can find the value of c. A is already given to you, so we can find the value of b using the relation c square minus b square. So question number 17 is your totally homework for all of you. Let me do the question number 19. Question number 19, in which a point is given through which the ellipse is passing. So let's do the question number now 19. This is the second last question of your exercise. Center is your 0 0. This is given that we need to find the equation of ellipse whose center is 0 0. Major axis on the y axis and passes through the points 3, 2 and 1, 6. बच्चों आपको सेंटर कन्फर्म्ड है, आपको मेजर एक्सिस क्लियर है कि वाई एक्सिस अप्लाई करती है, और देखिए अगर वाई एक्सिस पर मेजर एक्सिस है सो नो डाउट दिस इज़ द एलिप्स विच इज़ ऑफ द टाइप वर्टिकल, यानी कि वर्टिकल एलिप्स की टाइप है हमारी, क्योंकि मेजर एक्सिस वाई एक्सिस अप्लाई करते हैं. इट मीन्स द एलिप्स विल बी अलोंग वाई एक्सिस, and if this is along y-axis, this is your the type of vertical ellipse. So we are going to find the equation of a vertical ellipse. और उसके लिए हमें given है कि this ellipse is passing through the 2 points 3, 2 and 1, 6. Let us this is your the ellipse which we require to find, and this is point passing through the point 3, 2 and 1, 6. This is your 1, 6 and your this is your let 3, 2. So we want to find your equation of this ellipse. So let me write down the first of all the standard form of the equation of a vertical ellipse. This is given by x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. This is the equation which we required. The value of a and b is your necessary to find. After getting the value of a and b, we can write down the equation of ellipse. So और a और b की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए बच्चों आपको दिया हुआ है कि जो ये आप एलिप्स की इक्वेशन निकालना चाहते हैं, ये एलिप्स 2 पॉइंट से पास करता है, और किसी भी कर्व पे कोई पॉइंट लाई करता है या किसी लाइन पर कोई पॉइंट लाई करता है, इट मीन्स दैट पॉइंट विल सेटिस्फाई द इक्वेशन ऑफ दैट कर्व और द लाइन. So let me take the first point, because 1, 6 is lying on this curve, so it implies this point will satisfy the equation of the ellipse number 1. So we can use x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 6 in this equation, as 1, 6 passes through ellipse. So this is your 1 square upon b square plus 6 square upon a square is equal to 1, implies 1 upon b square plus 36 upon a square is equal to 1. This is equation number 2. Again 3, 2 is also passing through the ellipse. So this is your, as 3, 2 is also passing, it implies 3 square upon b square plus 2 square upon a square is equal to 1, implies 9 upon b square plus 4 upon a square is equal to 1. This is equation number 3. Now we have the two equations in the form of a square and b square. बच्चों दो मेथड हैं यहाँ पर सोल्व करने के. एक तो क्या है, आप एलसीएम ले सकते हैं इक्वेशन नंबर 2 का, और उसके बाद ए स्क्वायर की वैल्यू निकाल कर दूसरी इक्वेशन में पुट कर सकते हैं. Another method is also there in which we can put 1 upon b square is equal to some variable as your t, 1 upon a square is equal to u, and then you will find the linear equation in the form of t and u, and then you can find the solution. And one more method is there in which you will not take any substitution. You will not take any 1 upon b square is equal to t or 1 upon a square is equal to u. आप मत लीजिएगा ना 1 upon a b square को u लेट कीजिएगा, ना 1 upon a square लेट करते हैं. लेट मी सॉल्व डायरेक्टली. क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ 1 upon b square और 1 upon a square दोनों में से किसी भी एक के कोफिशिएंट्स को ज़रा इक्वल कर लेते हैं. हाउ कैन वी डू, लेट मी मल्टीप्लाई द इक्वेशन नंबर 3/9, क्योंकि दिस इज़ 36, दिस इज़ 4. सो अगर 4 को 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 36 बन जाता है. सो लेट मी मल्टीप्लाई द इक्वेशन नंबर 3/9. सो दिस विल बी और 1 upon b square plus 36 upon a square is equal to 1, and divided by, so not divided by, this is 9 by b square plus 36 by a square is equal to 9. I just sorry, this is your 81. इक्वेशन नंबर 3 को आपने 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. दिस इज 81, 9 into 9 81 अपॉन बी स्क्वायर विल रिमेन सेम, एंड दिस इज 4 into 9 36 अपॉन बी ए स्क्वायर, and 1 into 9 9. Now you can subtract like this, minus minus minus, cancel out, this will be cancel out. This is your 1 upon b square minus 81 upon b square is equal to minus 8. And further by taking a LCM, b square is LCM, b square LCM लेंगे बच्चों, तो this is your 1 minus 81 is equal to minus 8 implies minus 80 is equal to minus 8 b square. मैंने क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया यहाँ पर, so cancel out, b square will be your 10. So now after getting the value of b square we can find the value of a square as well. अब क्या करेंगे, b square की वैल्यू किसी भी एक इक्वेशन में रख सकते हैं, 2 और 3 में, इट्स योर चॉइस. सो लेट मी पुट इन इक्वेशन नंबर 2 में रखते हैं तो क्या होगा, दिस इज योर 1 अपॉन 10 प्लस 36 अपॉन ए स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू 1 implies 36 upon a square is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 10, and this will be your 9 by 10. So 9a square is equal to 360 and a square will be your 40. So value of a square is your 40 here. a square की वैल्यू 40 आ गई है, b square की वैल्यू 10 आ गई है. Then the equation of ellipse is given by x square by, this is your 10 plus y square by 40 is equal to 1. So this is the equation of ellipse having center as 0 0, major axis on the y axis, and this is passing through the given 2 points 3,2 and 1,6. So this was the second last question of your exercise. My dear students, question number 20, which is the last one, you can do by yourself. The same process is there, in which we want to find the equation of an ellipse whose major axis lie on x-axis. यहाँ पर major axis x-axis पर lie करती है. It means this is your along x-axis, means this is a type of horizontal ellipse. So and this ellipse is also passing through the point 4,3 and 6,2. So ऐसे ही पहले आप standard equation of horizontal ellipse लिखेंगे, which is given by x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, and then you have to just pass through the given 2 points 4,3 and 6,2. We will find the two equations in the form of a square and b square, then eliminate one of the a square or b square, you will get the value of a square as well as b square in this way. So this was all about the exercise 11.3. So in the next video we will discuss about the last curve shape figure, which is your hyperbola. So thank you and have a nice day.